Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, my question is, with the order date, we can show for a user like year-wise, quarter-wise, and month-wise. And I need to show a user like if we consider into 2019 and 2020, it should be split into two ways, like mid-year and end year. The mid-year contains from January to June. End year contains from July to December.
You mean to say like here you have your order date. Now just like you have quarters, you need a mid-year also.
Yeah, like from January to June and July to December. For each year, he want to see the data.
Yeah. So you can direct write as it is static, it is not going to change. You can write it like this, right? If month of order date greater than or equal to 1 and yeah, I need to delete this system. Month of order date is less than or equal to 6, then I'm just M1 mid-year now. I'm just taking that denotation. You can take any denotation that you want. Else M2. Now apply. Okay. Is it what you want?
Not exactly, sir. Like if we drag that sales to the rows.
Okay.
So what here we are expecting? Okay, I think. So is it showing like for 2021, like first 6 months?
Yeah, this is for 6 months. This total, these two values if I combine, this is for 6 months.
Oh, okay.
This is for 6 months and this is for the next 6 months.
Okay. Okay, that's it, sir. That's what.
If you want to validate that, let me let me bring this here. If you want to validate that, just like remove this, make this month, add these values. So till June, what am I getting? 106,987, right? Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Guys.